Hi everyone, Jane here from Jenny and Teddy. In this tutorial, I will show you guys how to crochet the cookie and cream poncho wrap. This poncho is very simple and made from just one rectangle, the long rectangle. And what you will need to make them is a crochet hook size 5mm and 3 colors of the cotton yarn. I will put the link in the description below to writing pattern and the photo tutorial as well on my blog. So let's get started. Cookie and cream poncho wrap, we will start with the 170 chain. I will start with the slip knot first. And then chain 170. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I will go off the camera and meet you at 170 chain. Now I am finished the chain of 170 chain. We will add 3 more chain. 1, 2, and 3. And then we will skip 3 chain from the hook. 1, 2, and 3. And we'll make our first herringbone double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. Grab the yarn, insert your hook, pull through. Now you have 3 loops on your hook, and use your thumb to fix the second loop, and then pull through just 1 loop. Now you have 2 loops on your hook, and grab the yarn, pull through just 1 loop again. Now you have 2 loops on your hook, and grab the yarn, pull through both loops. Now we got our first herringbone double crochet stitch already. We're gonna do the second one. By grab the yarn, insert your hook, pull through, have 3 loops on your hook, use your thumb to fix the second one, and pull through just 1 loop, have 2 loops on your hook, grab the yarn, pull through just 1 loop, have 2 loops on your hook, and then grab the yarn, pull through both loops. Now we have our second herringbone double crochet. We will continue doing the herringbone double crochet in each chain across until the end. I will go off the camera and do it. I will meet you at the end of row 1. Now I am at the end of row 1 by I'm making the herringbone double crochet in each chain along here of 170 chain. At the end here we will start on row 2 by chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. Turn your work. And we will make our first herringbone double crochet in this stitch. Grab the yarn, insert your hook, pull through. You have 3 loops on your hook. Use your thumb to fix the second loop and then pull through just 1 loop. Now you have 2 loops on your hook. Grab the yarn, pull through just 1 loop, and now you have 2 loops on your hook. Grab the yarn, pull through both loops, and then we're gonna make the second one, and in each stitch we making the herringbone double crochet. I will go off the camera and meet you at the end of row 2. I am at the end of row 2 already. In the last stitch I make herringbone double crochet here, and you will see here is the gap. It's from chain 3 from the previous row. This gap we will make a herringbone double crochet. Grab the yarn, insert your hook, pull through, and fix the second loop. Pull through just 1 loop. Grab the yarn, pull through just 1 loop, and grab the yarn, pull through both loops. And now we finished row 2 already. We will keep continuing, repeat row 2 until we get the length. I will show you the length that I make of the 3 colors of the poncho. Here the finished piece that I make, the light color and the medium color and the darker brown color. So the length of the dip of the color is very depend on your style, but this one for me is the first color will be about 4 to 5 inch, and the second color will be 6 inch, and the last one, the final color, the dark brown, will be 7 inch. I will meet you when we assemble. So now I am finished up the big long piece of rectangle for the cookie and cream poncho. You see this one. The measure will be this one will be 54 inch long, and this one will be 18 inch. And then after we got a big piece of rectangle like this, we will fold them in half. And we fold them in half, and then we will use the marker. I use this one, the marker, to mark the neck, open neck. The open neck will be about 8 inch to 10 inch for this one, the open neck. And on this along here we use the yarn needle to sew here. Yarn needle, use the yarn needle here, and use the yarn tail to sew along here on this part until the marker. On the next, the open neck, you don't need to sew it. And that's all we finished for the cookie and cream poncho wrap. I hope you guys enjoy the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.